Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel equipped with the Level 2 package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our full LED headlights, and under the hood sits a 5.7 liter Hemi engine that produces 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors, as well as keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as our tonneau cover. This Ram has a towing capacity of up to 8,240 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls, as well as our heated half leather seats with a power adjustable driver's seat, and our OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat,